Spotless car wash solution? Yes, I was able to achieve it. My goal was to have a cart with everything I need to be able to wash my cars and not have spots on them. I live in the part of the country with very hard water. Most of the United States and most of the world has hard water. As a reminder, hard water is defined as high amounts of dissolved minerals, largely calcium and magnesium. A real-world example of this is if you wash your car and don't dry it, you'll get water spots that can damage your paint and look horrible. The solution for this is to have a deionized water system that removes the total dissolved solids from the water using ion exchange resins. This will give you a spot-free rinse. So this is a way to have a deionized water tank, and my pressure washer, my vacuum, my blow dryer, my air tools, basically everything I need except for the air compressor itself in one place. I did a lot of research before I started this project about a year ago, and I found very few videos on the subject, so I thought I'd create a video that shows my solution. I don't like long videos, so I'm going to make a bunch of shorter videos about each subject, like the water deionizer, my pressure washer selection, which I love my pressure washer, and a bunch of other components of the cart. So please feel free to subscribe, and you can follow me and watch my videos as I progress through the cart. I'm not a professional detailer, but I am passionate car care enthusiast, and I think I have a great solution in place. Yeah, I will have links in the description with everything I have on the cart, so you can purchase them easily. It will save you a lot of time, money, and frustration. And I look forward to creating the future videos and going on this journey with you. Thank you so much.